I got cut off, so I had to switch to my phone to do my video. But as I was saying, that I'm going to put the Fix-A-Dent right in this area, right in the center there. All the way around, in the middle. I'll show you. Right, like right in there. It needs to be high enough. This is from experience. It needs to be high enough in the middle so that this part doesn't move around. And then you put a strip here and a strip here. So I'm getting ready to do it. And you don't use a lot. And what happens is this helps to keep the bacteria from going underneath the denture. And into your mouth. That's why it's very, very important. Now, I'm not squeezing anymore. I'm just moving it around, spreading it out. Okay? Now, this is what the picture says. See? For the upper. I don't have my lowers yet. So now I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it in my fresh mouth. It's been and you kind of hold it. And it feels really good. So that is my application of my dentures. I don't have my lower dentures. They're in the layaway. You want to make some donations. You got a whole lot of money and you want to help a sister out? Then feel free to shoot me an email or you can just call my periodontist and say, I want to pay for Cassandra's bottoms because she looks a hot mess. And let me tell you about that word, a hot mess. A hot mess is an African American term that we have been using for years. And I just recently saw that a lady coined the term, non-African American. She coined the term and got, oh my goodness, I think 1 million hits or whatever. But we used to say that to our kids. You need to change that. You need to get rid of it. You look a hot mess. So anyway, I love myself. I love who I am with my makeup, without my makeup. Oh, by the way, I have no makeup on. I have no makeup on. So anyway, I'm about to go to work. I gotta go. It is Monday. I got 4 more days of it, y'all. 4 more days. But anyway, look at my little dimple. Some people say, Nisha Jongwenma? Nisha Jonggorenma? Are you Chinese? What you think? Bye!